Welcome to our video on cars that we're looking forward to tuning in 2019. So first up is the Audi RS5. We love tuning these in the past and we're really looking forward to getting hold of the next generation. The Audi RS5 is expected to arrive imminently. Audi will almost certainly fit the RS5 with the same exciting 2.9 litre twin-turbo V6 engine as the latest RS5 Coupe, which will power all four of the RS5's wheels through the company's Quattro four-wheel drive system. That's fantastic because we've already had great success tuning the RS5 Coupe. Second on our list is a new BMW 1 Series. BMW have made the announcement the next generation of 1 Series will be front-wheel drive. This probably won't affect the majority of motorists buying and driving them. In fact, it will probably improve the 1 Series as there can now be more space in the boot and more space for passengers in the back. Driving purists are going to be disappointed with the removal of rear-wheel drive, but we are hoping that there's going to be a 4-wheel drive version of it coming out soon. Next up is the new Focus ST. The Focus ST is a great all-rounder car with pretty good performance figures. Both the petrols and the diesels serve as fantastic benchmark to be tuned, with the diesels achieving up to 20% better fuel economy and the petrol versions harnessing the extra power to really enhance the vehicle. We've had great success tuning every generation of Focus ST since it came out, and we're really looking forward to getting our hands on the new one. Next up is the BMW Z4 and the Toyota Supra. The new BMW Z4 cannot be mentioned without people first mentioning the Toyota Supra as well, to the manufacturers teaming up and producing them side by side. Although there will still be very different cars when they come off the production line. Toyota is developing the rear-wheel drive platform for the Supra with BMW, and one advantage to its partnership is access to smooth, straight-six power. In addition to the Supra, the platform will underpin the upcoming BMW Z4. Without expertise in tuning BMW engines, we're convinced that you can definitely get more bang for your buck with our tuning box installed. That's it for our video on 2019 and cars to come. If you think we've missed anything out, drop it in the comments below and we'll see you again soon.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you fancy, you can even drop a comment in the box below.